Hello my fellow creators and welcome to my YouTube channel. Look what a crafty friend sent me. Oh, I'm so excited. So I got this, it's been a while already, probably in May, end of May, beginning of June. And it's just been so crazy around my house that I have not had a chance to play with it yet. So this was sent to me by wonderfully sweet Jeanette, and she is so very sweet. Now I thought it would be fun to open this up with you guys and play. Oh, but I want to show you the card she sent with it. So she was one of my winners from my February series, I think. Might have been March. In any case, she won one of my prizes and she sent me this fun paper pumpkin box and this card. Look, friends. So this is the die she won with the giveaway I had on my All Clubs Create series that I started back then. And oh my goodness, so much dimension, so much shine. It's so pretty, Jeanette. I love it. I absolutely love it. And I can't show you the inside because that's a message for me. But thank you again, Jeanette. Let's open this up together. So I don't think I have anything Stampin' Up. So this is going to be new for me. Let's take a peek together. In fact, let's take it out of the box. Whoopsie. Oh, but I will tell you, my grandson got a hold of it and he stamped. That's okay. I forgive him. But look, it has this Stampin' Spot, so it's like an ink cube, and this is basic gray. Has two stamp sets. Let's see if you can see them. Oh no, I need colored cardstock. Please hold. The black cardstock shows it better. Anyway, two stamp sets. So there's two stamp sets in there, and you can see what they are here, because this, I guess, is where I'll package them. I'll package them with these images. So this is Fluttering Garden and Fluttering Hummingbird. So pretty. So I'll have to package those up. And then look, you get this like instruction sheet on how to get started. And it even has a QR code to get some video help. So cute. Love it. So I guess it comes with here the kit components. It contains supplies for 9 cards and 9 envelopes. So you get the card bases. Let's look. Why am I guessing? Oh, look, you get these beautiful images. Oh, look. And I don't even have to fussy cut. It's the kind you can just like punch out. So it looks like it's 3 sheets of that. And then you get, look at these envelopes, friends. So pretty. So you get enough for 9 cards. And then you get some dimensionals. So it's like foam tape. And it looks like there's some embellishments here. Really pretty. And then here's your card bases, I think. Oh, what's in here? More like punch outs. So they say thank you, I'm so grateful for you. Okay, so then get 3 of those, and then these are your card bases, right? This one has a circle on it. I'm wondering why. Is that like a guide where to place? And they are scored, so you just fold them. And they have this textured look on them. Can you tell on camera? Let's see. Yeah. So that's what comes in the kit. But if we look at the instructions here, I'll try and open this up a little bit. Oh, here's the front side. See, I was on the wrong side. Oh, look how pretty. So pretty. Okay, Oh, look, I bet that that circle there is a guide for you to stamp that wreath. So if you use this stamp, that kind of guides you for how to place it around and get it right. Oh, that's genius. So let's see. When you open it up, it gives you, yeah, instructions for making multiple cards. So here's for card number 1. Here's for card number 2. Tells you how to stamp, what stamp to use. Here's for card number 3. Right? So you can make 3 of each card. Oh, that's perfect. Let's make one together, why don't we? Let's do that. So I will get out this card base that has that circle on it, and greenery. So let's get that out of there. And I should probably use my Misty for this. Found it. Okay, here's my mini Misty. I'll just fold this in half, and we will place this down here. And so like if I use the guide there, that circle that's drawn on the card, maybe bring it in a little, because I'm going off this, or let me go off actual instructions, why don't I? So it says, yeah, you use this card, and, oh wait, the card will be this way. So I'm gonna stamp this here. So start, this is a new stamp, so let's see. Never used Stampin' Up stamps, guys, never. I don't think I have. Maybe I have. Okay, so we'll stamp this here directly on our card piece. Oh, look how beautifully that's stamped, guys. Then what I'm going to do is just flip the card around. Hopefully, does that work? It does. Okay. This working. Oh, Jeanette, this is so cute. Thank you, my friend. Okay. Stamps beautifully. Love that. Okay, we'll set this aside. Get my card back here. Make sure I have it in the right direction there. Although really I can make it in any direction, right? Then I'm gonna need, one of these for my image, and then one of these for my sentiment. And what did I do with the dimensionals and the, oh, here they are, the embellishments. So the instructions have us making, let's see, here's our instructions. And so see here, it shows to add these dimensionals there. So I'm going to grab, looks like this bird here. He'll go there, and then this bird here. I mean, what could be easier, friends, than doing this? What could be easier? Oh, I love that. Oh, but I need it to go after the sentiment, right? So let's get, I'm so grateful for you. And we'll get some of the dimensionals here. Oh, fun. Okay. These are kind of like hexagon shapes. That's cute. Okay, so this only has us putting 3. Now, I'm going to stick with what it has as the guide because I'm sure they give you just enough of these for your cards if you follow along with the directions. Now, I could just add a whole bunch more like I typically do, but I'm gonna try not to add too many. Okay. See? And then behind this birdie, I'll put one up here and one here. Okay. So we'll start by getting our sentiment on there first, I think, because then the birds overlap. So I'm so grateful for you. So pretty. And then one of our birds will go up here. And the other one will go on the bottom left. And then, let's see, has a few of these embellishments. So let's add a few of those. I don't know why I always struggle to open packages, but I do. So here it shows you're using 5, so 2 of the larger size and 3 of the smaller size. So I'll get 2, and it looks like it's 1. So I don't even have to guess where I'm putting these guys, because I don't know about you, but I struggle sometimes on deciding where am I going to put my embellishments. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2. So we have a total of 5, and it's done. How quick was that, friends? So quick and easy. Now, of course, I could go in and maybe add some sparkle to the wings of these birds. They're hummingbirds, I think. But it's so pretty the way it is, isn't it? I love it. You know what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the rest off camera, and I will be back to show you what they all look like completed. So give me a minute or two, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, friends, so there are my completed cards. I did make all 9 as per the guide that came in the kit. And so it took me a little under an hour to finish them, which I think isn't bad at all. And I have 9 coordinating cards, so pretty. And then I also have the beautiful envelopes that go with them. And I have the 2 stamp sets that I can still use. So I have these 2. I have my little Stampin' spot, and I did have a little bit of the foam adhesive and of the little embellishments left, but everything else got used up. Like all the images and sentiments that were in here were exactly what you needed for making all 9 cards. So let me know in the comments below, have you ever crafted with a paper pumpkin box from Stampin' Up? This was my first time, and I really enjoyed it. Thanks again, Jeanette, for your sweet, sweet gift. I really appreciate it. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribed to my YouTube channel or followed me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.